Your big brother.
Huh? That's one sound you won't be able to copy, Rosie.
It is, and it's and you know what that means.
It's pizza night! Okay, Mommy, I'm ready.
I think that's enough soap for now.
I have a surprise for you.
Caillou loves surprises. He wondered what it could be.
Every apron needs an apron.
You have pizza dough on your nose, Rosie, like a clown. It's working! It's getting flat!
That's it, Caillou.
Oh, I got sauce on my apron!
It's time to put on the pizza toppings.
Apparently Orange has gone with Woodpecker because, I don't know, he thinks it sounds funny.
I don't think it sounds funny, Pear. I know it's funny. How much wood could a woodpecker peck if a woodpecker could peck wood?
Do you like my pizza? It's a picture of me.
Oh, yes, I can see that. It looks just like you, Caillou.
I think it's time to put these pizzas in the oven.
No! I will not put my pet woodpecker in an oven.
Dude, it's not your pet.
It is too. I already gave him a name and everything.
Yeah? What's his name?
Woodpecker.
You named your woodpecker Woodpecker? How original.
I'm not original. I'm an orange.
Okay, fine. We don't have to do step 3. We're not gonna wood fire your pet bird.
You mean it?
I do. Go on, Woodpecker. Be free!
Yay! There he goes. Off to ram his head repeatedly into whatever.
We'll set the timer for 15 minutes. Push this little button right here, Caillou. Now we'll wait for the timer to ring and tell us when the pizzas are done.
Caillou didn't want to wait for the rating his.
2 pizzas, please.
Wait a minute. What type of oven did you say that was again?
Oh, it's a wood-fired oven. That's what pizzas get baked in a lot of the time.
I'm sorry. A wood-fired oven?
Uh-oh.
Woodpecker!
I think we should make pizza every minute.
And that's how Caillou learned that making food at home can be lots of.